Lubos ang pasasalamat ni KZ Tandingan sa lahat ng sumuporta sa Sarili Nating Mundo concert ng asawang si TJ Monterde. Napuno ng mister ni KZ ang Araneta Coliseum mula February 1 hanggang 3. Maraming salamat po for choosing to be with TJ these past few days. Hindi po kayo mali ng sinusuportahan. Kung paano po siya ka-generous on stage, sa puso niya, kung gaano siya magkwento sa inyo, kung paano siya mag-inspire and mag-encourage sa inyo, ganun na ganun din siya off stage. This person is an example of God's testimony ha. He is the God of everything na kaya niyang i-compress ang time, na kaya niyang ibigay lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Sobra akong grateful na I got to witness that every single day for the rest of our lives. Mensahe ni KZ sa mga nanood ng concert. Masayang-masaya ang Asia Soul Supreme para sa narating ng asawa sa music industry. Nasaksihan ni KZ kung paano nagsimula si TJ sa pagkanta at pagsusulat ng kanta. Aside from being a great artist, singer, songwriter, head of his own label, husband, dada of our dogs, son-in-law, brother, TJ is my inspiration kasi as an artist. I also feel like I'm in my season of waiting. It was a reminder that a few years ago, he was ready to give up but he chose to fight and in less than a year, he is now one of the most streamed artists in the Philippines. He is now the first male solo act to sell out Araneta Coliseum in 3 nights, emosyonal na pahayag ng singer. Nagbigay rin ng mensahe si KZ para sa mister. On behalf of all of US and everybody watching, thank you for reminding US that dreams do come true. I love you so much. I never imagined that I could love you even more after 10 years of being together and I'm excited to share 10 more lifetimes with you. I love you, my palagi, pagtatapos ng Asia Soul Supreme.